Hi guys, I am Dr. Vinod Pankaj Mishra and you are welcome in my YouTube channel Pankaj Institute of English. So dear friends, I am here with 300 MCQs of American literature. Dear friends, I have completed from question number 1 to 112 up to part 5 up to part 6. This is part 7. Dear friends, these questions are very useful for competitive exam. यदि आप भी इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन सीखना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए पंकज इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंग्लिश तथा इसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक और शेयर करिए। शुरू करते हैं हमारा आज का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। द विक्ट्री एट सी। द विक्ट्री एट द सी। The Victory at Sea 1920, The Life and Letters of Walter Hines, page 1922, and The Training of an American 1928 by Burton G.C. Hendrick have something in common. What is that? Option A, they are all plays. Option B, they are the part of trilogy. Option C, they are full Pulitzer Prize winners, and option they were all rejected by the readers. However, they are very popular now. So the correct answer is they are all Pulitzer Prize winner. Option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. Now question number 114. Who wrote Lincoln's War Cabinet in 1946? Option A, William Dean Howell. Option B, Burton J.C. Hendrick. Option C, Raymond Chandler. And option D, Arthur Miller. Arthur Miller. So the correct answer is option B, Burton J.C. Hendrick. Option B is the correct answer. Now question number 115. Which of the following novel by William Dean Howell is not on love theme? Option A, Indian Summer. Option B, The Lady of Aroostook. Option C, An Open-Eyed Conspiracy. Option D, A Bowman's Region. A Bowman's Region. So option D, A Bowman's Region is the correct answer. Now question number 116. One of the following is not a problem novel by William Dean Howell. Identify it. One of the following is not a problem novel by William Dean Howell. Identify it. Option A, The Vacation of Calvin's. Option B, April Hopes. Option C, An Imperative Duty. And option D, A Hazard of New Fortunes. So the correct answer of this question is April Hopes. Option B is the correct answer. Now question number 117. Who wrote Christianity, the Logic of Creation in 1857? Option A, Henry James. Option B, Melville Herman. Option C, Thelma Howard. Option D, Allen Ginsberg. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer of this one is option A, Henry James Senior. Now question number 118. Now question number 118. Henry James Jr. was greatly influenced by the British novelist. Henry James Jr. was greatly influenced by the British novelist. Option A, Emily Bronte. Jane Austen. Option C, George Eliot. And option D, Virginia Woolf. Virginia Woolf. So the correct answer is George Eliot. Option C. George Eliot. Option C is the correct answer of this question. 118. George Eliot is the correct answer. Now question number 119. Name the first novel of Henry James that was written in 1876 and is concerned with a failure of an American sculptor in Rome on account of his want of inner discipline. Option A, the Europeans. Option C, Roderick Hudson. Option C, the Americans. And option D, Daisy Miller. So Roderick Hudson. Option B is the correct answer of 119. Now question number 120. Which novel of Henry James analyzes the relation of young American women with group of Europeans and expatriated Americans? Option A, Daisy Miller. Option B, the other home. Option C, Daisy Miller. And option D, Portrait of a Lady. So the correct answer is option D, the Portrait of the Lady is the correct answer. Now, question number 121. Which of the following novel is narrated through a medium of little girl mind? Option A, The Wings of the Dove. Option B, Daisy Miller. Option C, What Macy Knew. And option D, The Tragic Muse. So the correct answer of this one is option C, What Macy Knew. Option C is the correct answer. And this question number 12. Identify question number 122. Question number 122. Identify the collection by Henry James out of the following. Option A, The Wheel of Time. Option B, The Spoil of Poynton. Option C, The Other House. And option D, The Two Magics. The Two Magics. So the correct answer of 120 equal to option A, The Wheel of Time. Option A, The Wheel of Time is the correct answer. Now, question number 123. Question number 123. Which novel of Norman Mailer describes the fate of 13 men in an infantry platoon who could survive the onslaught of Japanese held island? Option A, The Executioner Song. Option B, The Deep Park. Option C, Barbary Shore. And option D, The Naked and the Dead. Naked and the Dead. So the correct answer of 123 is the Naked and the Dead. Option D is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. Now question number 124. The Deer Park by Norman Mailer presents a bitter view of Hollywood through the stories of three men, a film director, an Air Force veteran, and a option A, journalist. Option B, statesman. Option C, pimp. And option D, criminal. So option C, pimp is the correct answer. Now question number 125. Which of the following non-fictional work earned Norman Mailer a Pulitzer Prize? Option A, The Armies of the Night. Option B, Miami and the Siege of Chicago. Option C, Of a Fire on the Moon. And option D, The Flight. The Flights. The correct answer is option A, The Armies of the Night. Option A is the correct answer. Now question number 126. Gary Gilmore, a convicted murderer, figure in a Pulitzer Prize winner novel of Norman Mailer. Identify it. Again listen the question. Gary Gilmore, a convicted murderer, figures in a Pulitzer Prize winner novel of Norman Mailer. Identify it. Option A, Cannibalism and Christian. Option B, Genius and Lust. Option C, A Transit to Narcissus. And option D, The Executioner Song. So the correct answer of this question is option D, The Executioner's Song. Dear friends, these questions are very useful. So listen this question again and again. Now question number 127. The portrait of a pathetically. The question number 127. The portrayal of passion नहीं, द पोर्ट्रेल ऑफ ए pathetically unfortunate Jewish family of New York on account of the failure of its grocery store and the search for good life by its main character is Bernard Malamud's. Option A, the natural. Option B, the assistant. Option C, the fixer. And option D, the tenants. So the correct answer is the assistant. Option B is the correct answer. Now question number 128. One of the novel of Bernard Malamud describes the story of pseudo-biblical fable about a man who is the sole survivor of a nuclear war and how he begins a new civilization. Identify that novel. Option A, Darwin's Lives. Option B, A New Life. Option C, God's Grace. And option D, Picture of the Fiddle Man. So the correct answer of 180 is option C, God's Grace. God's Grace, option C is the correct answer. Now question number 129. Which of the following novel of Bernard Malamud won National Book Award as well as the Pulitzer Prize? Option A, the fixer. Option B, the natural. Option C, the tenant. And option D, A New Life. So the correct answer of this question is option A, the fixer. Now question number 130. Which story collection of Bernard Malamud won the National Book Award? Option A, Rembrandt's Hat. Option B, Idiot First. Option C, The Magical Barrel. And option D, none of these. So the correct answer is The Magic Barrel. Option C is the correct answer. नाउ डियर फ्रेंड, दिस इज़ सेकंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस वीडियो। यदि आपको पसंद आए तो इन्हें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और यदि आप चैनल के लिए नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करिए ताकि इस प्रकार के वीडियो जब भी अपलोड हो तो उनका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 131। विच नॉवेल ऑफ Herman Melville has Captain Ahab as a hero. Captain Ahab is the hero. So the correct answer is option A, Type. Option B, Umo. Option C, White Jacket. And option D, Moby Dick. So the correct answer is option D, Moby Dick is the correct answer. Now this is the last question. Which of the following works of Herman Melville is autographical in nature? Option A, Israel Potter. Option B, Mardy. Option C, The Confidence Mouse Man. And option D, The Apple Tree Table. So the correct answer of this one is Mardy. Option B is the correct answer. आई होप कि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन पसंद आए होंगे। यदि पसंद आए हों तो इन्हें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।